LionDesk CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a CRM designed to streamline your sales and client communication, LionDesk might be on your radar. But is it the right choice for you? Let's break it down. LionDesk is tailored for real estate professionals, but is also popular among mortgage brokers and small business owners. It offers features like contact management, email and text campaigns, task reminders, and even video messaging, making it a comprehensive tool for nurturing leads and maintaining client relationships. One standout feature is the built-in text message and video email capabilities, allowing you to personalize communication at scale. Plus, with automation tools, you can create drip campaigns that engage your leads without constant manual input. The integrations are another strong point. LionDesk connects seamlessly with platforms like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Zapier, ensuring your leads flow into the system without a hitch. However, it's not all sunshine. While LionDesk's features are impressive, the user interface feels a bit outdated compared to competitors like Follow Up Boss or HubSpot. Some users report a steep learning curve, especially for beginners or less tech-savvy individuals. The mobile app works, but lacks the polish and responsiveness you'd expect from a modern CRM. Pricing is reasonable, starting at $21 per month, but many of the advanced features, like video texting, are locked behind higher-tier plans. So if you're on a tight budget, you might find better value elsewhere. Who is LionDesk best for? It's ideal for real estate agents or sales-driven professionals who want a simple, centralized system to manage and nurture leads without relying on multiple tools. If you prioritize texting, video emails, and automation, LionDesk delivers solid value. However, if you're a small business owner outside real estate or need a more intuitive interface, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, LionDesk is a robust CRM packed with features that cater specifically to real estate and sales professionals. But it's not perfect. If you're willing to invest time in learning the system and don't mind its somewhat dated interface, it can become a powerful asset for your business. For those seeking a sleeker, more user-friendly option, there are competitors worth considering. Before committing, take advantage of the free trial to test its features and see if it fits your workflow.